Hello, my people. Good day. Today, I want to discuss about different categories of Iberiberism. And we Ndigbo need to know which part of category of Iberiberism that you belong to. For example, if you are building houses in Abuja, Lagos, and other part of the world, and you don't have one single house in Ndigbo, you don't even have a bungalow, you don't even have Mbokoko in Ndigbo, you are suffering from what they call severe Iberiberism. If you are building factories, industries in Lagos and Abuja and all part of the world, and you don't even have one single industry, one single factory in Ndigbo, you are suffering from acute Iberiberism. It's a very serious matter. And again, if you live in abroad, you do not go home, you don't have house at home, you don't even know how to get to your father's compound anymore. You are suffering from advanced Iberiberism. If you are an Igbo man and you don't belong to any political party, you don't have PVC, permanent voters card, my dear, you are suffering from a very, very critical Iberiberism. And then, if you are supporting a government, any government at all, that does not believe in development of an Igbo in any way, then you are suffering from what is called Iberiberized Iberiberism. May God Almighty cure us from the syndrome of Iberiberism. Thank you.